Equate sore throat oral anesthetic spray. Product details. Get temporary pain relief from mouth irritation and sore throat with Equate sore throat oral anesthetic spray. It has the active ingredient phenol, which works quickly to reduce the pain associated with a sore throat and a sore mouth caused by canker sores and other minor oral irritations. This oral anesthetic spray is easy to use and works immediately, with a pleasing cherry flavor. Just apply to the affected area and allow the spray to remain in place for at least 15 seconds before spitting it out. Use every 2 hours while the pain and irritation occurs, but symptoms do not improve in 7 days. Stop use and ask a doctor. Take control of your mouth and throat pain with Equate sore throat oral anesthetic spray. Making the right health decisions can be challenging. With a complete range of products and simple solutions, Equate allows you to take care of your family with confidence. Equate sore throat oral anesthetic spray, cherry flavor, 6 fluid ounces. Temporarily relieves sore throat pain, sore mouth, pain associated with canker sores, and minor mouth irritations. Active ingredient, phenol 1.4% oral anesthetic, analgesic. Alcohol 0.10%. Compare to chloraseptic active ingredient. 6 ounces oral anesthetic spray. For adults and children 3 years and over. Cherry flavored. Indications. Stop use indications. Stop use and ask a doctor if swelling, rash, or fever develops. Stop use if irritation, pain, or redness persists or worsens, sore mouth symptoms do not improve in 7 days, or if difficulty breathing occurs.